Hi guys, this is Tina with Everyday Home with Tina, and today I am going to share with you a recipe that I make called baked nachos. So this is what we're gonna have. Now these baked nachos are gonna be delicious. They are Nacho Mama's nachos. So I'm gonna show you everything that I'll be using in this recipe. Okay, we're gonna start here. We're gonna dice our tomatoes and our avocados. Those are gonna be toppings. We're going to start with cutting up an onion, dicing it, and we're gonna season our ground beef with my Creole seasoning. We're gonna brown it until it's no longer pink. Once that's done, we're gonna drain it and put the refried beans into the meat mixture, and also some green chilies in there. We want to use the taco seasoning to season this mixture with and follow the directions of that. Once that's done, we're going to take our chips and line them, put them in this lined baking dish, and on we're gonna add chips, mixture, cheese. Chips, mixture, cheese. How many ever layers you want to do that. You want to top it. Once you're going to bake it for about 10 or 15 minutes, then you're going to top it with the tomatoes, avocados, or jalapenos, or whatever you like on your nachos. It's going to be your choice. So the very first thing I'm going to do is to start frying the onions and the ground beef. So you want to get your skillet hot. And I'm going to drizzle some olive oil. At the bottom of the olive oil, I have red pepper flakes, and that's to season my olive oil. And I think that my food tastes a little, gives it a little heat, and I like that. So we're going to drizzle that. And now I'm ready to put in the onions. We want to saute the onion until they're soft. I'm going to add the meat and some garlic to the onion, and I'll come back once that's mixed up good. Okay, so this is the meat mixture. I browned the ground beef with the onions. I added garlic, chopped garlic to that. Then I drained the grease off. Once I drained the grease off, I put it back in this pan. I added 1 1/3 cups of water and 2 packets of the taco seasoning mix. After I did that, I added an undrained can of the chopped green chilies. Then after that, I put in the can of refried beans. So this is that mixture. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to layer the chips with chips, mixture, cheese, and then I'm gonna bake that for about 15 minutes. And then I'll come back and show you how that looks. Okay. So this is what the mixture looks like on top of the chips, and I have some shredded cheese. I'm going to put it in a 425-degree oven for about 10 to 15 minutes, just long enough for the cheese to melt. Once the cheese melts, then I'm gonna take a portion, do a plate, and on top of that, I'll put my lettuce, tomatoes, and avocados, sour cream, taco sauce, whatever else you want on it. These are the nachos straight from the oven, and you can see the cheese is melted on top, and the chips are crisp. You can really eat it just like this, but it'd be so much better to put toppings on it like lettuce and tomato, avocado, any type of toppings that you choose. And don't forget the sour cream and jalapenos if you desire. So this is my finished plate. And let me tell you, it was delicious. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Thanks for stopping by. I love you guys and I appreciate you. See you soon.